We are having coffee here in Don Salvador Benedicto in one of the resorts called Tureno, and this is a nice resort. It's owned basically, I think, by some Christian families because we see that they don't serve drinks and they have a chapel, and praise the Lord that it's a resort here on top of the mountains. Anyway, Pastor Anthony, I would like to interview you quickly.
Yeah, quickly.
How many Camarada teams do we have, the new ones?
The new ones, we do have 6 Camarada teams to be governed by the 3 stakeholders.
So there are 3 stakeholders and there are 6 teams under them.
Yes.
Who are our stakeholders?
Okay, me, Pastor Bogart, and Pastor Christian.
There's
the ABC of Divinity.
Okay, may I know who are the Camarada teams under Pastor Bogart?
Okay. The Camarada team under Pastor Bogart, Camarada team leader, Sister Clooney Cubing. Under her team, Larita Clavel, Christian Clavel, Suji Clavel, Jose Roberto Togli, Kim Anthony Sinuguhon, Christian Laper, Raymart Alone, and Carol Jacobo. And then the next Camarada leader under Pastor Bogart, the Thailand team headed by Jairi Graho. Under Jairi Graho's leadership is Wilma Ijusolo, Dave Apostol, Michelle Berneza, and Bernes Aporado.
Can we clap our hands? Okay, please introduce to us the Camarada teams under Pastor Christian.
The Camarada team under Pastor Christian Mangubat. Camarada team leader, Roland Gumban. His team member are as follows: Vanessa Alfone, Mirian Palomar, and Chen Blanco. And then we have also Rante Campuñon. Under his team, Joel Hilaga, Arnel Valerio, and Joel Sellers.
Can you clap your hands? See that? See that? So there are 2 Camaradas in one of each of our stakeholders. And right now, our biggest stakeholder board director, Pastor Anthony, who are under you?
Under me, first, Pastor Daniel Bagayo. Under his team are May Flores, Hani Istolonio, Cesar Bucayani, and then Joland Abraham. Then, I have also here Greg Magracia. Under Pastor Greg is Carvin Gao, Gary Ciliado, Vincent Cerdanya, and Edremel Maribo.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the 6 different Camarada teams under our 3 stakeholders. Abangan on how you can pass your takeaways. God bless you. Here at Don Salvador Benedicto, Pastor JR over here.